Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, IT Career. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing excellent, and I'm also doing fine. So, today, what we are going to do? Today, I'm excited because today I'm going to start my first lab, the first lab of IT Career. How exciting, guys! Really? So, without wasting time, let us start our first lab today, which is on Google Cloud free account creation, right? So free trial account. So before I start today, I'm going to tell you guys. My videos are getting a little longer, and I'm thinking, to make it shorter because more than 35 minutes, 40 minutes. Nowadays people doesn't have much time to. They don't have patience to watch all those longer videos. But yeah, I understand that I am also belong to the same world and the same generation. Nowadays people doesn't have patience and time to watch. To invest more time into that. However, I would like to cover more and more stuff so that you should not miss anything, and I want to go more deeper and explain properly so that it should be sticked in your brain, right? So that's why the videos are getting longer, but I'm trying to make it shorter, but at the same time I don't want to miss anything, so that it will affect your learning. All right, so let's not waste more time. So let us see what you can do in our first lab today. I'm very excited. Let's see. If I make any mistake, please forgive me. In the next lesson I'm going to cover it. All right, but this is pretty simple. uh, Everything is simple to me. Okay, it's like how you treat the things, how the way you learn it. Okay, so today is we are going to create our first Google Cloud account. All right, so this free account we are going to use during our whole tenure of this Google Cloud Associate Cloud Engineer program. Okay, and this is the account we are going to create today. Actually, it is already created. While I'll show you from scratch how to create it. Okay, so what you need to create a free tire? You need a fresh Gmail account. All right, you need a credit card. You need a browser, preferably Google Chrome or Edge, Microsoft Edge, and of course the URL of the cloud. All right, console.cloud.google.com. All right, and preferably if any of the browsers private mode or maybe incognito mode, you can use. Okay, that would be preferably, but it is not recommended. I'm sorry, I mean to say it is not mandatory. Say, all right. So let us go and create a fresh account in the Google Cloud. Google account. All right. So first of all, you need to open a browser, and in the browser, go google.com, and from there just sign in. It is like a regular account creation, guys. I'm just showing you in case someone does not. Someone didn't work in Google Cloud. Google account before. Okay. So first of all, create account, and another you have personal use for my child and for my business. So we are going to use personal use. All right. So first name, you put your first name like IT career. Suppose my last name is career, and put a username as your choice. Like I'll put IT career cloud 1 2 3. Okay, this is your choice, and then put a preferred password, and then next. All right, and in the next, your IDs selected. If it is not available, then they would say that this is not available, you need to choose another one. You need to put a phone number, and it is optional, but it is good that you should put a phone number. Why? It is for sometimes you need to set up two-factor authentication. So for that one you need to put your phone number. So just put something. Choose your country here, as I'm in the US. So I'll put US phone number. So I'll just put something. Okay, my phone number. So two-factor authentication is nothing but once whenever you want to authenticate via phone, like someone is trying to access your account. they cannot, I mean, yeah, access it until unless if they use another, I mean, computer or laptop or, I mean, phone. I mean, that time you have two-factor authentication, like, in your phone number you'll get text or call from the Google that, I mean, you are you are the person who is using, right? And then later you choose your birthday, your birthday, and like, okay, whatever it is, your gender, and then next. Okay. Okay, so the number, and then, okay, here, as I mentioned, I mean, for truth factor authentication, right? So it will send you a phone number, I may verify. So I'm not going to do right now. So I'm saying right now, and then you choose your I agree. Use, I mean, okay. Once you do I agree, I mean, your terms and condition, your ID is created here. You see that IT carrier, the IT carrier cloud 123 or gmail.com. All right. So you are all set with the first step. Okay. What was the first step? Gmail account. Now you need a credit card and a browser, right? So before that, now what is our URL? Let me copy and paste that thing. All right. Console.google.com. All right. So console.cloud.google.com. So now once you hit that URL, you will be directed to the cloud. So now first thing it will ask, hi IT carrier. So my first name and last name, like, I've given my channel name, and then in the country you are in, you just select that. As I'm in US and I'm saying I agree, and I say agree and continue. I agree all the terms and condition of the Google. All right, and I'm continuing. This is a must process. And now you see in the top that start your free trial with 300 credit. Don't worry, you won't charge if you run out the credit. So Google give you $300 credit, and that is for 3 months. Okay, so what does it mean? Like, you can use, I mean, right now we are in the Google cloud already. Okay, but you cannot use any of these. See, remember we have talked about compute engine, virtual machine. You cannot create them. If you go there, you won't be able to, create them. It is asking for a project, so you don't have project right now because you are not activated thing. So you need to activate that to get $300 credit into your account, and for 3 months. So let me go back to my slide and let's see. Let's read something. So program 90-day 300 free.
Here is an answer from an Alexa Answers contributor that I translated.
No,
something
Alexa,
is something
I
that
don't
cannot
want.
be.
I don't know why my Alexa got activated.
I miss.
Okay, so 90-day 300 free trial per year starts automatically when you complete the sign up. All right, so it is not yet started. Our Google account is created, but free trial is not yet started. So to complete your free trial sign up, you must provide a credit card or other payment method to set up cloud billing account and verify the identity. Don't worry, setting up a cloud billing account does not enable us to charge you. Okay, because this is free, right? You are not charged until unless, you explicitly enable billing upgrading to your cloud billing account to paid account. So there is an option where you can upgrade to paid account, so that after that it will be you will be charged. Okay, so however, your 90 days or $300 will be utilized first before it will go to the paid account. All right, so now what program coverage? Your free trial credit applies to Google Cloud resources, including Google Maps platform usage, but following the exception, you cannot add GPUs, graphical processing unit. Okay, you cannot in your VM instance, you cannot add that because they are costly. Okay, they cannot give you those things for free. You can't request quota increase. Quota, right? I mentioned in my last video. I'm going to do it again on quota, but quota is something, like organization has quota against the projects, how many projects you can create for organization. So that is quota. You cannot increase, because it is a free account. So, but whatever the quota in the free account they give is enough. Okay, you can't create VM instances on the base of Windows Server images because Windows Server needs licensing, right? License, right? So you cannot create in Windows server license cost a lot, you know, guys, right? You cannot create Google Cloud VMware engine resources, so you cannot create those things. Okay, without wasting time, let us go to the uh, our lab. Okay, so $300. So $300 will be utilized. Your free account will be ending first. You either you utilize all $300 or you pass 90 days. Okay, so now we are going to activate that. Okay, let us activate that. Click on activate, and then it will ask you account information. Yeah, here you see the try Google Cloud for free, and now you choose your country here. I am in United States, so I've selected United States. What is the best described? What is the best described your organization needs? So it is for for learning, right? So you can choose a whatever it is, personal project, or career aspiration, whatever it is. Okay, but it is not like large companies and all. Okay, personal project, and then you are again this agreement for Google Cloud Platform services and all those terms and condition. You click continue, and you in the right side you say this 300 credit for free. Put Google Cloud to work with 300 credit to spend over 90 days. Okay, no auto charge after trial ends. You must have seen, like, a lot of companies like Netflix and other thing, right? They you go for a 1 week trial, or money maybe 1 month trial, and then you put your credit card, and then once you're done, and they automatically charge you for the next month, okay, whenever the charging starts, right? But for with the Google Cloud and all, it is not. They are not. They're going to send you an email, and they'll notify you that your trial is going to end soon. Do you want to upgrade it? All right. However, one thing I'll tell you, one thing is that you cannot use this Google Cloud free account for your business. Okay, yeah, suppose after your free account, if you are thinking to convert it to business, no, you cannot do it. For business, you have to create a business account. You remember in the beginning of the starting of the lab, when we created the Google Cloud, no, Google account, that time we use personal. So that this account is for personal, not for business. All right. So now, without wasting time, we are clicking on continue. And then what is asking? Next step. Step 2, payment information. Right. So here you put your business name and account type. And no, it is not for business. It is for individual, first of all. All right. And then you put your credit card here. And once you put your credit card or debit card or bank account, whatever it is, it will start your free trial. Once you start your free trial, it will be looks like this. It will look like this. So this is my account. My account is with my name, and then you see that everything is there. Now here you see all the your resources, all the all the projects, everything. So we are going to learn everything. Okay, water projects. So if you see, just for information, you have 21 projects remaining in your quota. So I mentioned just now, right? What is quota? So Google give you quota for your projects. Quota is there for everything. Okay, there to manage your resources. Remember, okay. So now if you go and remember, we have seen that virtual instances previously it was not we are not able to create, right? It was not given option. Now you see create instances. So if you create, click on that, and then now the page for VM instances will pop up, and then we'll be able to create our first VM and all. But we are not going to create now. We are going to very in depth in these things. It's a very big thing, right? So we are not going to do anything here. And now one thing we can do here, that billing. Once you click on billing, so this hamburger icon or button is very important. Everything is under that. So once you click on that, this window pop-ups, and under that, once you click on billing, you will monitor how many days remain and how much money free credit remains. So I have only 18 days, so I think I need to extend it, or I have to create another one during our labs, remaining lab. This is not remaining entire labs, this is my first lab, right? So only 18 days. I did not use this account much, so I didn't, you see, almost $2 only I spent out of $300. See that out of $300 only this is available, so I haven't used it. Okay, And this billing and all, I'm going to, cover in very depth and in future lessons. And with that said, I think that's all. And I don't think anything left into that. Just creation of the Google Cloud account. Next thing is, we are going to have a navigation, how to navigate into the Google Cloud platform, navigation and all the, this under billing, what are these, these are very important. So next lecture we are going to cover the billings and the navigations, so that you can monitor the things in the billing, how much resources, how much money you are spending for each project or each resources. You are going to learn it. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. See, this video is almost I have done it within 15 minutes to 16 minutes. But yeah, we'll try to do the same thing for my future videos, but I'm not guaranteed. Every video can be this small. All right, thank you so much. Please share the channel, like the video, and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.